welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Bo Coon from Sonic X. If you must know, Bo Coon was a robot created by Dr. Eggman to send out messages to Sonic so that he could read them. And believe me, he's a bit childish, and he does respect Dr. Eggman a little bit, but every message he plays, after it stops, it explodes. And believe me, he likes the explosions. So be on your guard when he's around.
Till the day the two of us knocked down to be on this planet's surface, we became a fantasy. And I
Okay, next up, you just draw the crest on his head. Next up, we just draw his horns here. It's like,
suddenly they were fusing. Beautiful, strange, confusing. And there I was, a bundle of glass, I'm so naive. And if you told me this, I never would believe you then. But
there we go. There's his head. So, okay. You know, when I agreed to join this video, I got 100 messages from Bo Coon telling me to draw him, and every time I got the message, they ended up exploding. That was just rough. Seriously, look how damaged my camera is. I'm telling ya, Bo Coon is really childish. What is he, some sort of demolition expert? Like, master of bombs? Okay. There's his shoes. If you ask me, he looks a little bit like Mickey Mouse. If you count the shoes. What do I look like? A termite? And, you remember the Bo Coon beacon? That's what Deco Boko used to summon him. Sure, he's a bit whiny, but, he could be an awesome fighter. Plus, if you saw that episode for his secret, Rouge discovered that Bo Coon has a girlfriend. I could tell by the locket. Seriously. Oh, but don't tell Bo Coon that. He might blow me up to pieces. Anyways, we're almost done. Here's his hand. There's Bo Coon's hand. Body. There's his bag, duffel bag here. That's where he holds the TV. Alexa, play Sonic X Theme by Nate Wants to Battle.
Here's Gotta Go Fast, Sonic X Theme by Nate Wants to Battle.
There we go.
On Amazon Music.
There's his tongue. And there we go. That is how you draw Bo Coon. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? I know he doesn't look like much, but he looks like a character from Mega Man. And And, he looks like an enemy of Mega Man created by Dr. Light. Oh, and another thing, he has a jetpack on his back. And, remember that robot who kissed him? That was hilarious. And a bit awkward. Anyways, who was your favorite character from Sonic the Hedgehog? I know that I'm not supposed to say Dr. Eggman, but if I don't say it, Eggman might pop up and destroy me. But it's a good thing I'm in the basement. That way he never find me. This place is Eggman proof. Anyways, that's all the time I have for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. See ya. Hey, what do I have here? Okay, and I found out you were watching. Let's see what this note says. I found out about this video. Now I'm gonna blow you up. Signed, Dr. Eggman. Huh. I wonder what that means. I'm okay.